Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the GTAB E3 Pro, and let me share with you how to soft reset or actually force restart this device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. So you can try to soft reset it or force restart it just by pressing two buttons simultaneously, two keys. The power button, which is like right here, and apparently volume up button, which is right there. So try to press both of them at the same time for about 10 seconds. Basically wait until the screen will be black and until you'll see that developer's logo. So let me try to press both of those buttons together. And we've got this power off option or restart, but let's ignore it. Keep pressing both of those buttons. And we've got black screen, which is a really good sign, so keep pressing. I like to keep pressing it until I'll see the developer's logo. So I felt the vibration, we've got the developer's logo, which means that we just successfully forcefully restarted our device, and in a second it will be powered on and it should work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.